Welcome to our latest video. Today, we are talking about top 5 best drone on Amazon under $100. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the drone are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introduce the Velcase S101 FPV Drone, your new best friend in the sky. Whether you're a beginner or looking for a fun toy for the kids, this drone is packed with features that everyone will love. Let's dive in. First up, the Velcase S101 features a 1080p HD camera. Say goodbye to grainy photos and hello to stunning aerial shots. Perfect for capturing family moments or just having some fun flying. It's also super convenient with its foldable design. Perfect for on-the-go adventures. You can easily pack it in the included carrying case and take it anywhere. Now, let's talk about some cool control features. The Velcase S101 has voice gesture control. Just say the commands and watch the drone come to life. How cool is that? And with just one key takeoff and landing, getting started is a breeze. Perfect for beginners. Thanks to optical flow positioning, this drone stays stable and smooth in the air. No more worrying about losing control. It's designed to make your flying experience easy and enjoyable. And for those who love to impress, the 360 degrees flip feature will blow your friends away. Just a quick tap, and you'll be doing stunts like a pro. Plus, with Waypoint Fly, you can set a path for the drone to follow. Just plan your flight on the app, sit back, and watch it go. This drone has 4.3 rating and 3,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. So, whether you're a newbie or simply looking for an awesome drone for your kids, the Velcase S101 FPV Drone checks all the boxes. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think. What will you capture in the sky? Looking for an exciting way to elevate your photography and videography? Meet the CHUBORY A68 FPV Drone. This drone is equipped with a stunning 1080p HD camera, perfect for capturing all your adventures in crystal clear detail. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, the A68 is here to make your experience unforgettable. With its super enduring brushless motor, the CHUBORY A68 provides a smooth and stable flight ideal for stunning aerial shots. Struggling with control? No worries. The auto hover feature keeps your drone steady in the air, allowing you to focus on getting that perfect shot. Feeling adventurous? Show off your skills with impressive 3D flips. This drone is built for fun, letting you perform tricks that will amaze your friends. New to flying? Headless mode ensures you can fly easily without worrying about the drone's direction. Plus, the trajectory flight feature allows you to draw your desired flight path right on your screen. It's a drone that anyone can master. And guess what? The CHUBORY A68 comes with not one, but 2 batteries, allowing for extended flight time. Plus, it includes a convenient carrying case for easy transport. Whether you're exploring nature, capturing family moments, or just having fun with friends, the CHUBORY A68 FPV Drone is the perfect companion for your adventures. This drone has 4.8 rating and 12,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Ready to take your flying experience to new heights? Get your CHUBORY A68 FPV Drone today. Click the link below to learn more. Welcome to the world of aerial adventure. Today, we're exploring the amazing Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Designed for both adults and kids, this drone is perfect for beginners looking to elevate their flying experience. With its sleek and foldable design, you can take it anywhere. Let's dive into its standout features. Capture stunning moments with the 1080p Wi-Fi camera. Perfect for photography and video, you can share your adventures in crystal clear quality. Look at those vibrant colors. Your memories will always be bright. Control your drone like never before. With voice and gesture control, simply speak or wave to maneuver your quadcopter. It's like having your own personal flying assistant. Extended flights are made easy with a modular battery, providing long flight times. Spend less time charging and more time exploring. Adventure awaits, and you won't miss a moment. Want to capture that perfect shot? The auto hover feature keeps your drone steady in the air, allowing you to snap photos with ease. Fly with confidence and creativity. It comes complete with a carrying case, making it super easy to transport your drone wherever you go. So, whether you're a beginner or looking for a gift, the Holystone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is your ticket to endless adventures. Ready to take flight? This drone has 4 rating and 7,000 plus BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Fly high and capture memories that last a lifetime with Holystone. Until next time, happy flying. Enjoy the adventure. Introducing the CHUBORY F89 FPV Quadcopter, your ultimate flying companion designed for beginners and pros alike. With a powerful brushless motor, this drone delivers super endurance like no other, boasting an incredible 60+ minutes of flight time. Ready to take your adventures anywhere? The CHUBORY F89 features a foldable design, making it portable and super easy to carry. Capture your world in stunning detail with the 120 degrees wide-angle 2K HD camera, perfect for stunning landscapes or epic moments. Equipped with intelligent features like auto hover and follow me, the CHUBORY F89 ensures your flying experience is smooth and hassle-free. Experience first-person view like never before. Control your drone with ease through the Wi-Fi FPV feature, giving you a real-time glimpse of your flight. Whether you're capturing family moments, exploring nature, or just having fun, the CHUBORY F89 is your go-to drone for any adventure. This drone has 5 rating and 1000+ BSR rank on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. Join the flight revolution with the CHUBORY F89 FPV Quadcopter. Don't just watch the world, experience it. Order yours today. Feel free to tweak any parts to match your vision. Introducing the TTROARDS Foldable Drone, the perfect gadget for tech lovers and adventure seekers alike. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this drone offers unparalleled performance and stability, allowing for smooth flights every time. Capture every moment with its stunning 1080p camera. Whether you're recording family events or exploring nature, your memories will be crystal clear. Experience high-speed connectivity with 5G Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless live video streaming. And with an adjustable lens, you can get the perfect shot every time. Take to the skies effortlessly with one-touch takeoff and landing. Just a push of a button and you're ready to fly. With its altitude hold feature, focus on taking stunning photos without worrying about your drone's height. It's perfect for beginners and experts alike. And the best part, it's mini and foldable. Take your drone anywhere you go. Whether you're on a road trip or a weekend getaway, it fits right in your bag. Plus, it comes with not 1 but 2 batteries. Double the fun and double the flying time. This drone has 3.8 rating on Amazon, so that we recommend this drone to you. TTROARDS Foldable Drone makes the perfect gift for anyone looking to elevate their flying experience. So why wait? Get your TTROARDS Foldable Drone today and take to the skies. Feel free to adjust any parts as needed. Enjoy the flight.
Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video thumbs up.